Hello, everybody. We always believe that psychology of the road is as important as the road itself. A driver is as important as anything in the truck industry. We are welcoming you to come to Truck Academy so that we can balance the true ideology of driving and your psychology with your organization so that you'll be perfect in your driving. Our purpose of being here is to amend you and put you straight. Come and choose the right way. I am Olatunji Odebi, one of the leading truck